So in a contemporary math course, contemporary math, one of our professors put it in good words. He says it's everyday math. It's things you'll see in the real world. You might not think of it as math. And the author of the book, any author of a contemporary math book, one of the things the publishers will say is, we have real world problems in the book. You're going to find these problems in the real world. I want you to think about 13. I'm going to work it out, but I want to know, where do you find this in the real world? And I want you to help out with that. Number 13. How many different arrangements of 4 letters can be formed if the first letter must be a W or a K, and the other letters can be anything? Repeats are allowed. You see that right there? Repeats are allowed. So, for number 13, I'll use my blanks. First blank has to be W or it's a K. The others, no restrictions. How many choices in the first blank? 2. The others, letter, letter, letter. How many choices are there? 26. 26 letters in the alphabet. The next one, 26. 26. So let's multiply that out. 26 times 26 times 26 times 2. 35,152. $35,152. Where is this used in the real world? Where's my mass comm major? Raise your hand if you're a mass comm major. Nobody? Huh? I did see a hand back up here. Where is this used?
I was just going to say, like, making license plates.
Maybe license plates. Could be. It could be license plates. Any mass comm majors? Where is this used? That's what? You think the answer's wrong? Let me double check that in my calculator. You got different number of letters, didn't you? Okay. In the textbook, not on the computer, they did the 4 letters. On the computer, they are going to change the number of letters. You might get 4, you might get 5 or 6. Where is this used? In the real world. But that is where it's used, in the real world. Anybody works for KLSU? That's the radio station on campus. WAFB? What is WAFB? A TV station in town. Gosh, WTIS? Hmm?
He's been there for a while.
Ah,
Stepped on like 5 times.
I did.
There he goes.
Okay. letters for a radio station or a TV station? They start with a W, they start with K. Call letters. How many different call letters are there for radio or TV stations? What determines if it starts with a W or a K? Nobody's indicated that they're a mass comm major. Yeah? All right. What determines if it's, those of you with your computers open, Google it. What determines if it starts with a W or a K? Who has it? What'd you get?
Whether it's east or west of Mississippi.
Well, thank you. Whether it's east or west of the Mississippi River.